My journey towards self excellence. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Chile and I will take you through a journey in both deeply personal and universal significant. My journey towards self excellence. Self excellence is not about outperforming others, rather, it's a continuous process of self improvement, striving to become a better version of ourselves every day. In this vlog, I would like to explore the power of thoughts, philosophies, dharma, karma, inner harmony, and a deep understanding of life purpose, both in my professional level and as well as my personal level. The power of thoughts, transforming mindset and its impact on me. Our thoughts has played a definite role in shaping our lives. They may think influence our emotions, decisions, ultimately the path we take. Positive thinking, forecasting programs, while negative thoughts create barriers that hold us back. Through my own experiences, I have learned a shift in mindset. From doubting to confident can bring remarkable changes. When I started practicing visualization affirmation, I saw improvement in my productivity, emotionally, resiliently, interactions with others instead of focusing on absolutes. I trained my mind to seek solutions and small changes led to significant growth. For instance, during my MBA journey, I initially struggled maintaining focus. However, by replacing procrastination with discipline, with a result driven mindset, I improve my both academic performance as well as personal habits. Dharma and karma, insight application of personal experiences. The principle of dharma and karma from the foundation of meaningful life. Dharma represents our duty and moral responsibilities, while karma reflects the law of action and consequences that we give to world eventually coming back to us. I personally experienced the impact of karma in my life whenever I contribute selflessly, whether in college, internship, or everyday interaction. I found out that goodwill, and opportunity return in eventual ways or unexpected ways. Our such experience during a real estate internship when I went beyond my assigned task with making market research for the companies, market research for the clients. Although the position was given to me was an unpaid position, the knowledge and connection I built eventually led to better career perspectives. The reforms and beliefs that significantly interact in our actions always yield positive outcomes. Achieving inner harmony and its results. True self excellence goes beyond external accomplishment. It involves achieving inner peace and balance. Aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions leads to greater awareness of stability. For me, mindful practices such as meditation, self action, gratitude has played a critical role in maintaining emotional balance. By learning to manage stress effectively, I have been able to improve my decision makings, strengths, relationships, and handling challenge with calm mind. A key realization I had was the success along done with a guaranteed happiness. Inner harmony is essential. There is a time when academic stress overwhelms me, but inappropriate medications and structured routines I have learned Native pressures, na- na- navigative pressure, navigating pressures effectively allows me to lead a more fulfilling and balanced life. Finding purpose, who am I and why I am here. One of the most fundamental question faced is what is the purpose of life? For me, self excellence is about lifelong learning, growth, contributing to something greater than myself. Over time I have realized my purpose lies in creating impact, whether by helping businesses grow through marketing or inspirational towards others. Success is not about personal achievements, but about meaningful differentiations. By aligning my career with core value, I aim to strive a balance between ambition and social contribution. The role of self excellence is personal and professional growth. The journey of self excellence extends beyond personal development. Its practical significance in both professional and personal life. Personal growth. By cultivating self awareness, discipline, a positive outcome, I have strengthened my relation by improving my emotional well being. Professional growth. By applying the principle of dharma and karma, I have ensured that my work is rooted in integrated and purpose. Whether it's making projects, assigning tasks, leadership role, striving to success, excellence, motivation, resilience, and adapting in a continuous changing world. Self excellence is not a good but a continuous self excellence is not a goal but a continuous journey. Each step taken towards self improvement leads to more enhancement and meaningful life. In the end, I would like to conclude that my journey towards self excellence has been mastering my mindset, embracing the value of dharma and karma, achieving inner harmony, discovering my purpose. True excellence is not a final destination. It's a lifelong learning and self-discovery. I hopefully experience insights you to embrace my journey towards self-excellence. Thank you for watching me and I am looking forward to having our insights in comments. Thank you.